Namaste everyone, I am Arya. Today we are going to practice backbend session. This class really good for improving your flexibility, strengthening your back. If someone suffering from stiffness from your shoulder, heaviness from your back, so this class really good for improving your flexibility and same time improving strength for your back, and same time make your shoulder and the neck, unlock your shoulder and making flexibility over your shoulder muscles, upper shoulder muscles and your back muscles. Thank you. Let's start the practice. First, everyone sitting on your mat, close your eyes. You can keep your hands Gyan Mudra or Chin Mudra. One time, taking a long breath, inhale and exhale, breathe out. Rub your palms. Shake your eyes. Look at your palms. Namaste. First, keep your both hands down on your mat. Now, inhale, lift your right hand up and then exhale, stretch your neck, hands on your head and then try gently stretch your neck. Close your eyes. First, trying relaxing your shoulder and your neck muscles. Keep breathing. कमर को सीधा रखें, back straight. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly, hand down, change your side, left hand up and stretch your neck. Inhale, hands on your head and gently stretch. Exhale, breathe normal. Don't lift your right shoulder up, try to pressing down, gently back straight. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly hand down. Now roll your shoulder, lift your both hands up here and trying rotate your shoulder muscles, relaxing your shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Opposite side. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now from here lift your both hands up and we trying twist. First left side, right hand hold your left knee and then exhale, another hand back on your mat and try twist your spine, look back, chest up, breathe normal. One more time, inhale up and exhale, change your side, breathe out. Inhale up and exhale, change your side, breathe out. Breathe normal here. 1 and trying twisting more your back. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, lift your both hands up. Exhale, change your side. This will help to relaxing your back muscles and this will help decompress your pressure from lower back especially and looking back. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, lift your both hands up here and exhale down forward, relax your spine, breathe normal. हाथ सीधे कमर को रिलैक्स करेंगे, head down, look down. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly stand up please. दोनों little bit gap between your foot, पैरों में थोड़ा सा gap. Interlock your finger. Inhale, lifting your both hands up and then heel up, stretch your body, looking forward, सामने देखने का प्रयास, हाथ सीधे, पैर सीधे. And exhale, both hands down and then heel down. One more time, repeat same. Inhale up, lift your hands up and then heel up, hold here. 1, 2, breathe normal. 3, 4 and 5. Exhale, hands down and then heel down. Now from here little bit bend your hand and move your spine left to right. Twist gently. Breathe normal. Slow moving. 1, बहुत ज़्यादा तेज ना करें, धीरे से करें. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Slowly, very good. Both hands down, close to your thigh. Now from here, right hand up first, inhale, and then exhale, side stretch your muscles, look up, breathe normal. हमारे shoulder और hip एक line में रहेंगे, hip and shoulder line both, and chest up, look up. Inhale, come back, change your hand, left hand up this time, and then exhale, stretch to opposite side, looking up. Inhale, up, change your hand, and then exhale, breathe out, stretch more, look up, hold here, breathe normal. 1, keep breathing. 2, stomach को थोड़ा अंदर करें, pelvic, take your pelvic in. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come up, change your hand, inhale, and then exhale, breathe out. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come back. Now from here, bring your both hands on your back, thumb touch each other. दो हाथों की पोजीशन है, ये रहेगी, both thumb each other, and then try. Inhale, lifting your chest up, and exhale, hip forward, close your elbow, chest up. अपने chest को उठाएंगे, elbow को close करेंगे, ऊपर देखने का प्रयास, breathe normal. Inhale, slowly come back, interlock your finger, and then trying down forward, head down, lifting your both hands up. Relax your leg, stretch your hamstring, relaxing your shoulder, stretch on your arms, relax your back, and stretch on your glutes. Inhale, come up. Once again, lifting your both hands here behind your back, and then chest up. Exhale, breathe out. Slowly, relax your back muscles, just trying, lifting your chest a little bit up. Inhale, up, come back. Exhale, interlock your finger, head down, lift your both hands up, shoulder relax, and breathe normal. One more time, inhale, up, slow, trying, lifting your chest, and then exhale, bend your back, breathe normal, hold here, count 6. 1, leg is straight. 2, breathe normal, rocking. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up, interlock your finger, relaxing your arms and back. Exhale, breathe out. 1, if you can, try swing your shoulder a little bit, hands up and down. 2, up to you. 3, which one you feel comfortable, you want to just hold. If you want to moving, it's up to you. 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come up. Now from here, open your leg outside of your mat. पैरों को मैट से ज़्यादा खोल लेंगे. Bend your leg, both hands on your knee, toes out. Inhale from here, little bit, open your hip outside, and now right hand move like that, and then exhale, twist your spine, look back, breathe normal. Inhale, center, and exhale, change to opposite side. Inhale, center, one more time, and exhale, change, hold here, breathe normal. 1, breathe, continue. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, center, exhale, chin side, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, center, both toes in, hand down, holding your ankle. Inhale, and exhale, leg is straight, bend your elbow down, head down, look back, breathe normal. 1, keep breathing. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly, both hand down on your mat. From here, bend your leg, knee down, and then exhale, breathe normal. Now take your wheel. शोल्डर के स्ट्रेच के लिए हम व्हील का यूज करेंगे, अगर आप ब्लॉक्स का भी कर सकते हैं. इनहेल, slowly press wheel forward, and then exhale, head down, relax your shoulder, relax your back. Inhale, come up, breathe normal, and then exhale down. Hold here, breathe, continue. 1, यहाँ पे ध्यान दें, हमारे नी और हमारा हिप एक लाइन में रहेगा. Both hip and your knee is equal to line. 2, and relax your shoulder, upper back shoulder relax. 3, don't tight your arms, arm straight and gently relax. 3, 4, 5, 6, Inhale, slowly come up and exhale, breathe out. Now from here, remove your wheel once again. Now both hands down on your mat, downward facing dog. Hand is straight, leg is straight, breathe normal. Now inhale, left leg up, straight back. And exhale, bend leg, bring forward outside of your hand. This is warm-up sequence, little bit hip down. Inhale, left hand up like this. And then exhale, chest up, look up, breathe normal. Hold here. 1, keep breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, both hands down on your mat. Bend your right leg, knee down first. From here, lose your hip more. Inhale, chest up, and then exhale, look up, breathe normal. 1, relax your spine, relax your hip and back. 2, lifting your chest muscles up, stretch on your shoulder. 3, stretch your neck. 4 and 5. Now from here, look forward first, right foot up. Inhale, left hand up, hold your right foot, and then exhale, a little bit moving your spine, look back, breathe normal. Hold here, breathe, continue. Don't tight your hip. If someone feeling the heavy your hip and tight too much your front muscles or your hip muscles, try to slow pressing down, losing your hip. 5, if you can just stable here, breathe normal. 4, very good. 3, 2 and 1, slowly come back, both hand down. Now again from here, inhale, lift your left leg up. First here, left leg up, and then bend your left leg, move your body to left side. Shoulder pressing down, head down, try head between your arms and slowly press more. Stretch here on your leg. 1, shoulder, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, left leg bring forward between your hand. Now right leg heel up, first thing, second thing, your left knee and your ankle in line for alignment. Inhale, lift your both hands up here, high lunge, little bit gap between your arms according to shoulder, and then exhale, chest up, look up, breathe normal. This position, hold here. 1, chest up, look up. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, palms together. From here, twist your spine. First drawing right elbow across your left knee, and then exhale, look back, breathe normal, hold here. Right leg should be straight, tight your thighs, lock your knees. 1 is fine. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, both hand down, bend your right leg, knee down, relax your body and knee down to on floor. Now once again, check your alignment, knee and ankle line both, and relaxing your hip, don't tight from here. Front muscles from right side relax should be. Inhale, lift your arms up, palms together, and then chest up, look up, breathe normal. If you feel your body a little bit tight and you cannot bend much, you're just trying how much you can. Everyone have different flexibility, different types of body, so that you can go according to you. Breathe, continue. 1, hands up, look up. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, both hands down front. Now left leg is straight first, flex your foot, both hand here. Inhale, elbow bend, and then exhale, head down. This is relaxing position, just trying, relax your body. Leg is straight, stretch on your hamstring from left side. 5, 4, breathe, continue. 3, 2 and 1. Now from here, inhale, lift your hip up, both legs back, come to plank. And then exhale, bend your leg, knee down, and bend hand, chin down. Inhale, lifting your chest up, upper facing. And then exhale, hip up, downward facing. Hand is straight, and then leg is straight. Now change your leg, inhale, right leg up, straight back first, and then exhale, bend leg, bring forward outside of your hand. Maintain your gap according to posture. Inhale, hands up, and then exhale, chest up, look up, breathe normal. Hold here. 1, breathe, continue. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale slowly, both hand down. Inhale, come back. Right leg bend, left leg bend, knee down, relaxing your toes. And then exhale, chest up, look up. This side muscles of your leg, right leg, try to should be relaxed. Don't tight your thighs. Breathe normal, looking up. Breathe, continue. Calm your breathe. 6. Breathe normal. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, look forward. First left foot up and then right hand up. Holding your foot and then exhale. Look back a little bit. Move your spine, chest up. Breathe. Continue here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, come back, both hand down. Now left leg down, tuck your toes. Inhale, right leg up. And slowly bend your right leg. And then exhale, stretch on your shoulder, look to right side, breathe normal, bend your right leg here. 1, keep breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, bend your right leg, bring forward between your hand. High lunge position, maintain your alignment, knee ankle line, left leg heel up, hip not much down. Easy to get tired, little bit hip up, easier to balance. Inhale, hands up. Open your hand a little bit, spread your finger and then exhale, chest up, look up, arch your back. 6, very good. Keep breathing, keep holding. 5, this will help to improve your strength from leg especially, and same time improving your flexibility, strength on your back. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, from here, palms together, twist your spine, left elbow, cross your right knee and then exhale, trying, look back, moving your spine. Then we're trying after flexibility, after back bend twist. It will help to detox our body, help to release tightness, stiffness from our body muscles, back muscles especially. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, both hand down. Bend your left leg, knee down. Now from here, a little bit right foot move forward. Inhale, lift your both hands up. Low lunge position, try palms together. Exhale, chest up, look up. If you feel enough warm up, try to bend more, improve your flexibility and level of your practice. If you're feeling harder, still trying half how much you feel comfortable. 6, keep breathing, very good. 5, more trying if you can. 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, come up, both hands down to floor. Then right leg straight first, flex your foot, hands close to your heel. Inhale and then exhale, head down. Bend your hand, head down, touch to leg. Breathe normal. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, come up, both legs back. From here, come to child pose and then exhale, relax here. Few breathe, relax, breathe normal. This is complete our warm-up session. If anyone feeling this one not enough to warm up, somebody hard to bend, somebody easy to bend. So if depend to body, if they feeling good, it's like 15 minutes, 20 minutes enough for them, warm your body and easy to get bent. If some people take maybe long time, so go with your body, how you feel. If you're trying good, try more bend. If you're feeling not enough, still warm up, try less. Just be safe and slow, follow the own instruction. You can get maximum benefit, improve flexibility, same time improving your strength also as well.